If you're on version 2021 or above, for GTA materials to work, set to max legacy and restart 3ds Max. In this video, you will learn how to create a cylinder marker, which can be used for many things in MTA. Import a background object of your choice. Create a cylinder. I'll give it 18 sides and an extra height segment. Delete the top polygon, as it won't be seen. Set up a material for viewing the gradient in Viewport. For the vertex alpha gradient, I'll make a layer for the upper alpha, then a layer for the middle alpha, and at last, a layer that controls the entire model's alpha. When happy with the result, transfer the material color into vertex color and illumination channels. Transfer the vertex alpha into channel 9. And then transfer channel 9 to vertex alpha channel. Export the DFF at 000XYZ. Export the collision and convert collision to boundings in Steve M's collision editor.